So if you're looking to recover your banned WhatsApp accounts, so if that's the case, you've come to the right place, because today in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can get that back. Now, firstly what you have to do is just simply open your WhatsApp and click on agree and continue, then enter your WhatsApp number. Now as you can see, the WhatsApp number is banned. So click on the support icon over here. Then over here write a simple description about why your account might have been banned. So mostly all you have to do is just simply write, my account got banned accidentally and I don't know the reason, so please unban my account. So just simply write that, and if you have some screenshots you can also attach that over here. So after doing all of that, just simply click on next. Then after that, now over here don't choose any option, just simply click this doesn't answer my question, so click on that option. Then your email will, then whatever email application you have will pop up, so choose the email application, and after that all of your details regarding your phone description and all the details regarding your WhatsApp will be automatically filled in your email. So in that email all you have to do is just simply enter your WhatsApp location and WhatsApp number, and just simply enter the email address that you want to send the email from, and after that just simply send the email. And when you do that, you will be again redirected back to your WhatsApp account. Over here as you can see, it is still banned. So after a few minutes you will receive an email from WhatsApp, as you can see right over here, because right now they are currently looking into your case. So within few hours you will receive another mail, which is this one. As you can see over here, it says my WhatsApp account has been unbanned. Now it took about 3 to 4 hours to receive the email. So after you have received email, just simply go back to your WhatsApp, check whether it is unbanned or not, then click on OK if it is unbanned and do the verification. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.